Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another motivational video. Today's video it's a laundry motivation. So if you have some laundry, let's get it done together. If you're new here, my name is Shamsa, and if you're a returning subscriber, you already know. Thank you so much for coming back and showing your support. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up on your way in and subscribe if you're new. So as you guys can see, my laundry room, it's a very tight space. It's very small. Alhamdulillah that I have a laundry room. I'm very grateful for that. First thing I'm going to do is just clean the exterior of my washing machine and my dryer. There were some dust and stuff and some cobwebs around there, so I'm just going to clean that up. and I was folding the ones that were already dry. So after I was done folding, I decided to clean up my washing machine. Just kind of disinfect it with some Clorox to just clean the little rubbery thing that's inside there, so that way there's not like some residue of soap or something like that in there. And another thing that you can do to clean your washing machine is this little box thing that's like all the way down on your washing machine. There's that little tube that you just drain some nasty water out there that's just been sitting there from the previous clothes that you washed. And also there's another thing, that little black circle thing over there, that is where your washing machine puts like it's like a filtering place, you know, where the like hair that has been on your clothes, or like if, let's say for example, the rubber bands or something like that, they get stuck in there. So it's good to clean up there every month. I did cleaned it up like for a month ago or something like that. Well guys, today's video is coming to an end. If you made it all the way here, leave me an emoji of a laundry basket in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that I was able to give you some motivation to get some laundry done. If you're new and you made it here, I hope that you would consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching.